Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about how to get really sharp corners with royal icing on angled cookies. Squares, rectangles, even hexagons, anything that has a sharp corner that you want to keep sharp with your icing. This technique is going to help you achieve that. It's super simple and you really only need one thing. And if you don't have that, you can substitute something else really easily. Here's a close-up to show you the difference. The cookie on the left is how my outline looks when I pipe it like I used to, where I would slow down as I approach the corner. The cookie on the right is using this new technique. You're going to start by outlining one side. Be sure to extend your line beyond where you would normally stop. If your icing falls completely down the edge of your cookie, that's okay. The point here is to not stop the flow of icing as you near the corner. Go ahead and repeat that same step with your next side. Next, you're going to want to grab your Scribe Tool. If you don't have a Scribe Tool, do not fear. You can use a toothpick and that'll work just as well. For this particular technique, all Scribe Tools are not created equal. I have two scribes and you'll notice one of them has a much wider thickness than the other. For this technique, the skinnier the width, the better. It's just going to help you get a more precise outcome. What you're going to do is take your scribe and basically cut off the excess icing. You may have to mess with it a little bit, but a lot of times it'll cut off super clean and you'll be left with a really sharp corner. Now you're just going to repeat these steps all the way around your cookie. When you get to the last corner, you should have enough space there to run your icing the full length of that side where it'll meet up with the first line you piped. And that is it. I know for a lot of people this is probably too tedious and time consuming, but if there are any other perfectionists out there with your cookies, hopefully this will help. As always, thank you so much for being here, and if you haven't already, I would love for you to subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.